Hello everyone and welcome to this video. So today I want to take you with me through my day here in the forest because I'm currently on a little summer adventure wild camping on this small island next to a river / waterfall. And I want to show you how I spend my day here, how I take care of my body, what I eat. So yeah, I'm gonna do some yoga now, and after that I will head to a town that is around 2 kilometers away from my camping spot to buy some fruit. I started my practice with a couple of sunset salutations A and also did some sunset salutations B. Followed by Trikonasana and headstand practice, plus also did some scorpion preparation, followed by bridge pose and one-legged bridge pose. From here I did some dynamic plow and also some yogic push-ups. I rounded up my practice up with some King's Cobra and also some puppy pose. And from here went into a long and deep Shavasana, which I really enjoyed after this practice. Alright, I just finished my yoga practice and I decided that I want to have some bananas now. I stored these in my bike trailer. I still had them from yesterday. I never store food in my tent because that attracts bugs and all kinds of animals. But yeah, in the bike trailer it's fine. I just finished my banana meal. I had 6 bananas in total and now I want to do some journaling. So I always like writing down things that I'm grateful for, and then after that I usually just let it flow. Whatever wants to come through me I write down. And then after that I thought about reading a little bit on my Kindle, and right now I am reading The Art of Letting Go, and the chapter I am reading is Reducing Stress and Physical Illness. So very important chapter, and I am gonna read that after journaling. I just got back from the supermarket and I found an entire case of perfectly ripe donut peaches. And for a fruit-based raw vegan who's traveling, finding an entire case of perfectly ripe fruit is just the jackpot. Let's try one. So I always like twist them. So they are cut in half. And I really like peeling my donut peaches. My friend Anna inspired me to do this. Anna, if you see this, thank you so much. Because the skin sometimes tastes a little bit bitter, and then, you know, it's also much more safe. You don't know what the farmers have sprayed onto the trees. Oh my god. This is so good. And then I just remove the seed. Oops. And then same procedure, I just remove the skin. And then I have a whole bite. So good. And I personally never eat or buy donut peaches if the quality is not good enough for me to be able to make an entire meal out of it. And I see this all the time, like people eat unripe peaches, nectarines, plums, and I can't wrap my head around how they can do it, because I think it doesn't really taste that good, and it's also never worth it to eat unripe fruit because it doesn't digest well, you run into the risk of getting bloatings, and it also damages your teeth. So I always go for ripe peaches and donut peaches, and one thing you can look out for is pressing it very gently and it has to have some give. So I'm just gonna eat as much of these as I want to, and when I'm perfectly satisfied, I will finish and leave the rest. In total, I had 18 donut peaches, and the rest I put back into my bike trailer for tomorrow. Later at night, I had some bell peppers, tomatoes, and an avocado, and enjoyed it in this beautiful park. It was really delicious. After that, I went back to the waterfall next to my tent to take a shower. It's been almost 4 years now that I haven't used any shampoo or soap to clean my body. I just use water. And then I went back onto the small island next to the waterfall where my tent is set up. It's beginning to get dark outside and the mosquitoes are coming out, so I decided to hide in my tent, and I'm gonna do some more journaling, read a little bit more on my Kindle, and then probably also gonna go to bed very soon. It's around 9 p.m. right now. Yeah, and it's been such a great day. I'm just surprised every single time when I spend long periods in nature. Yo. How good I feel. Like, I just feel so calm, so balanced, so grounded, and yeah, it's just amazing. So I love coming to nature. It's really where I feel at home the most. Yeah, and otherwise, I wish you a wonderful rest of your day. Feel free to leave a comment in the comment section down below if you have any questions. I love interacting with you, and maybe see you in my next video. Bye bye. Oh yeah, and a little room tour of my tent. We have my clothes, we have my backpack, we have my blanket, we have another blanket to sleep on, we have some water, and we have my journal, which I'm gonna write some nice stuff on now, and my Kindle, and also very important, my pillow, and the forest, the dark forest, and my headlamp. It's my lamp.